Hello and welcome to this beautifully upgraded 5-bedroom townhouse in the sought-after green community, Dubai Investment Park. This home has recently undergone extensive renovations, including upgrades to multiple bathrooms, new flooring and skirting throughout, as well as a fresh paint job, giving it a clean, modern feel. The garage has been converted into a spacious games room, while covered parking for 2 cars remains available at the front of the property. Dubai Investment Park is a prime location, offering excellent amenities nearby. It's conveniently located near both the Emirates and Sheikh Zayed roads, with a range of schools, healthcare facilities and retail malls within close reach. The townhouse itself is ideally positioned near one of the green community exits, allowing easy access in and out. Plus, it's within close proximity to 2 of the community's pool and gyms, perfect for an active lifestyle. Green community is known for its serene surroundings, lush landscapes, and spacious homes, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a peaceful and vibrant neighborhood. The property is available for immediate rent, with the landlords open to long-term lease options. Thank you for watching, and please reach out if you'd like to arrange a viewing.